And over to the latest from China's Evergrande crisis that is showing no signs of ebbing. Reports say at least some of China's offshore bondholders of Evergrande, they have not received a due coupon payment by close of Asia business yesterday. Although cash-strapped developer reached $1.5 billion deal to settle debt with the Chinese bank. With liabilities of over $300 billion, Evergrande has sparked concerns its woes could spread through China's financial system and reverberate around the world. It's a worry that has eased with the Chinese central bank wanting to protect home buyer interests. The company, which has nearly $20 billion in offshore debt, was due yesterday to make a $47.5 million bond payment on its 9.5% March 24 bond. It also missed paying $83.5 million in coupon on another bond last Thursday. Evergrande's silence on its offshore payment obligations since missed payments last week has left global investors wondering if they will have to swallow large losses when 30-day grace period end for coupons due on September 23rd and 29. The company, once China's top-selling developer and now expected to be largest ever restructurers in the country, has been prioritizing domestic creditors over offshore bondholders. And some instant messaging groups used by people owed money by property giant China Evergrande Group to organize protests and discuss claims they have been blocked on Tencent Holdings' WeChat platform. Reports quoted 8 users across at least 8 different groups, each numbering around 200 to 500 people, saying they were prevented from sending new messages to the group starting from Tuesday morning. The crisis at Evergrande weighed down under $305 billion in debt and in midst of a cash crunch. It poses a challenge for the government. It wants to impose financial discipline, but analysts say it is wary of a messy collapse that could fuel unrest by local investors, suppliers and home buyers. On Wednesday, 2 WeChat users reported seeing a message that limits have been placed on the group because it violates relevant rules and regulations. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.